The Sundarbans is a mangrove forest located in the delta of the Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Meghna rivers on the Bay of Bengal. It spans across Bangladesh and India, and is home to a variety of animal species. Some popular places to visit in the Sundarbans include Hirong Point. This is a popular spot for watching wildlife, especially tigers. Visitors can take a boat ride through the mangroves to see animals like spotted deer, monkeys, crocodiles, and various bird species. Katka. This is another popular destination for wildlife watching. It is home to the largest population of spotted deer in the Sundarbans, as well as wild boars, macaques, and tigers. WHR Island. This is a small island that is known for its beach and the opportunity to see dolphins and whales. As for the animals you can see in the Sundarbans, here are some of the most notable. Bengal tiger. The Sundarbans is one of the few places in the world where you can see the Bengal tiger in its natural habitat. Saltwater crocodile. This is the world's largest living crocodile species, and can be found in the rivers and creeks of the Sundarbans. Indian python. This is one of the largest snakes in the world, and is commonly found in the mangrove forests of the Sundarbans. Fishing cat. This is a small wild cat that is an excellent swimmer and can be found near the water's edge. Irrawaddy dolphin. This is a rare and endangered species of dolphin that can be found in the rivers of the Sundarbans. Spotted deer. This is a common species of deer that can be seen grazing in the grasslands and mangrove forests of the Sundarbans. Estuarine crocodile. This is another species of crocodile that can be found in the rivers and creeks of the Sundarbans. It is smaller than the saltwater crocodile, but still poses a danger to humans.